Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Muhammad Hasnain, once again with all of you people. If you people remember, I told you about my 30 days crash course. So it is the day 3 of our 30 days crash course. So let's have a small review and recap on what we learned in our past classes. So in our first class, we learned about subject, object and verb. Subject, object and verb. We understood how we make the basic sentence. So we understood the very basic structure of any sentence, like he is playing football. Football is the object, playing is the verb, and he is the subject, also pronoun. So let's get into what we learned in our second class. We learned about these things also. We discussed a little bit, but then we talked about articles. What are articles and how did they work? The, a and an. These 3 were the articles we talked about. The is a bit different, so we cutted that. That is a separate topic. What is it? That is a separate topic. We will cut that. Now these 2 were very important for us. So a we use for consonants. If you don't know what consonant and vowel are, you might be a child, but still vowel are A, E, I, O, U. What are vowel? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel. What are they? They are vowel. So these 5 vowels, with them we use an. Now there is a difference. Now for example, there is a sentence, as we remember, we talked about the word honest. You call it honest, it's not honest. Honest. It's not honest, it's honest. What is it? Honest. So will you use a in front of it or an in front of it? We will use an. What will we use? An. We will use an. What is the reason behind it? Let me show you. An. So we do not pronounce H. What is H? H is silent. What is H? H is silent. If you remember, I showed you that it depends upon pronunciation. Now umbrella. Umbrella's first letter is a vowel, which is U. Umbrella. So an. And honest, in honest it's not honest. It's honest. Honest is wrong. No H. Only honest. Pronunciation is a bit weird, but it will get easy once you look at it. These are the vowels, and this was pronunciation that we learned in our previous class. Now let's understand about what are what are the types of sentences that we have around us. So let's learn that. So we have main 3 type of sentences. We have other sentences too. We have then WH question, which I'm going to discuss in the future, yes, no questions, etc. So there are many types of sentences, but mainly the answers to any question are in these 3 sentences. Positive, simple yes. You can say yes. Like in yes, no question, you say yes. So yes is a positive sentence. So for example, I will play cricket. I will play cricket. For example, football. I will play football. So what is this? This is with us positive. You are saying that yes, I will play football. मैं करूँगा. You are saying yes, I will. And then we have second. We have will not. I won't or will not. It's up to you. Let me just change this to won't. I won't play cricket. By the way, you should not write won't in sentences when you are writing an essay or anything like that, because it is informal. We use it for speaking, not for writing, okay? So, I won't play football. This is negative. You are saying no, I will not play football. मुझे नहीं खेलना है football. मैं नहीं खेलूँगा football. This is negative. After that, will I play football? Let me change this. Will I play football? and this is a question mark with us. Whenever you are having an interrogative sentence, so you will have a question mark in the end. This is very important. These are known as punctuations. You have to be punctual with punctuations. Will I play football? क्या मैं football खेलूंगा? This is one that shows the sense of not knowing. You do not know something, so you ask it. It shows that you do not know something. It shows the possibility of everything or anything that you have here. So for example, if you do not know, or if you are questioning someone, will I pass the exam? Will I go to my school? Will I have such class today? You can have many different interrogative, positive, negative, many different type of sentences. You can have normal sentences that talk about something. You can have answers that talk about something. You can have many questions even. But mostly interrogative sentences are also used as answers and also used as questions. For example, WH questions are also interrogative sentences. Are not interrogative sentences but indirectly interrogative questions, because you are asking something. What is your name? Is your name? Name. So what is your name? What is wrong in it? Interrogative. Yes, it is an interrogative sentence. We have what is your name? This is a question. But interrogative can sometimes be for knowing, for getting more information when you don't have information, and secondly when you want to ask for information or when you want to get some information. We use interrogative for this purpose. So you can have answers, and if you say yes, if somebody, for example, your teacher says, are you Ali? Are you Ali? Are you Ali? What is this? Interrogative. If you are Ali, you will say, yes, I am Ali. Yes, I am Ali. You will say, yes. Now, what is this? Positive. But if you are not Ali, you will say, no, I am not Ali. I'm just gonna write a shortcut. I am not Ali. What am I? I am Hasnain. So this is negative, that is positive, and this is interrogative. And don't take this wrong if you are listening to my other videos and I tell you to stay positive. So it's not for grammar actually. Lots of people use positive a lot. So for that reason, you should have different variation in what you try to talk or at one sentences you are going to talk. So I believe you people learned a lot today about sentences, about questions and many more things. So I believe it was enjoyable for you people. Thank you so much for staying with me, and Allah Hafiz.